people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you what aloe vera and Vaseline is just gonna do to your skin. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome, and please share this video if you do love it, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up this video. Now let's go see what this is gonna do to your skin, because it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be superb, it's gonna be so good. So if you have any personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, do that on my website. Follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is vast. Aloe vera is great for the skin, it's great for the hair, and also for the body. Now I'm going to be using the processed 100% aloe vera, okay, and this is actually going to help to get rid of pimples, pigments, and all manner of pigmentations, dark spots, and age spots. It's also helpful for wrinkles. And then we're going to be needing some petroleum jelly, okay, which is Vaseline. Now Vaseline is great for the skin. It helps to glow the skin, remove wrinkles, and it also get rid of fine lines and age spots. All right, then we're going to be making use of rice also, okay, so we're going to be making use of the boiled rice. All right, so rice is essential for the skin because it contains the lightening property that helps to leave the skin lighter and glowing. It also helps in getting rid of large and open pores. It works as a barrier to removing and age-related problems such as wrinkles and fine lines. Okay guys, so now let's prepare all the ingredients, and first I'm going to be taking in some amount of aloe vera gel. Okay, I've actually run out of my aloe vera gel, but we'll be needing half tablespoon of aloe vera, and that will be okay guys, just a little piece of that. So here is the boiled rice, and I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of that into the bowl. I'm also going to be taking just a little bit of the petroleum jelly. 3/4 teaspoon of that will be perfect, not too much guys. Now I'm gonna be mixing all this ingredients together, so you have to mix and mix really well, okay. Plus the Vaseline has to be everywhere, so you have to be careful and take a little bit of time while you mix this, okay. Alright, so now this consistency is perfect guys, so it's something we have to just apply on the face, and it's not going to be dripping. So if it goes a little watery more than this, it's sure going to be dripping, so we don't need that, okay. That's why we need it this way. So here is the treatment, and well, for me, I just love to use my hand there. So you can actually use a brush if you can't use your hand. This is way friendly and actually very soft, okay. So if you can actually boil your rice a day before, keep it outside for it to ferment a little bit, okay. It's just going to work really well. Then you spread it through your face. Alright, so when you're done applying this, you don't necessarily need to scrub it or something, so you just have to leave it there for it to dry. Okay, so you have to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, you know, for it to dry, and then when it's dry, you can go wash it off. Okay, this is gonna be perfect. It's actually very smooth. It smells really good, although my rice is fermented, so it's not that, it doesn't smell that really good, but it's still perfect. It's still okay. And when it's dry, you're gonna notice that it's just going to hold your face and it's going to tighten up your face. Okay, and like, you are gonna be loving it. So for this, it's a thumbs up, guys. It's gonna get rid of all of the blemishes and wrinkles, and your skin is gonna glow. Okay, so after 10 to 15 minutes, you can go wash it off with a normal water. Okay, you don't need to use hot water. Don't need hot water. And after that, you use a toilet soap. All right. So when you're done washing it, the oil, which is the petroleum jelly, is going to be left on your face. You can either leave it that way, or you can actually use toilet soap to wash it off. Okay, and your face is going to be beautiful, glow and smooth. You can actually use it 3 or 2 times in a week. Okay, or 2 times in a week as you would want it. Alright, and you are gonna be good to go, guys, because this is gonna be very friendly for your skin. It's perfect for all skin types. Okay, if you're having oily, dry, or sensitive skin, you can use this. It's preferably you use the boiled rice. So this is going to wake up your skin. It's going to make you glow. It's going to make your skin smooth, and it's going to be awesome, guys, like awesome. Okay, so if you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, guys, if you have any questions, be it personal, curious, or beauty questions, please drop them on my website. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay beautiful, flawless. Bye, guys, and